everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 4 ways that I make money with Pinterest, some days resulting in 200 plus a day. So if you're interested in learning how you could start making money using and leveraging the power of Pinterest, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Also, don't forget to grab my free Pinterest SEO guide. I will link the link right below this video. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget also to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of every single time I upload a new video. So let's head over to my computer to start this video. All right, so let's go ahead and start talking about how to make money on Pinterest. And I want to say, Pinterest is a terrific platform if you are an Etsy seller, maybe you have your own website, maybe you have your own products that you sell on your website. It's great for affiliate marketing and much more. It's also great for brand visibility, and it's also great for things that maybe you don't necessarily make money, but you get credits or you get free listings like I do on Etsy. So it's great for different things. And if you combine them all together, you could have really great results. And I'm going to show you some screenshots of my last month in September to kind of just give you an idea. I have many more, but I just picked a few because I don't want to throw this on no one's face. I just want to inspire people and let them know that Pinterest is a great platform to play around with, and not necessarily play, but I mean like really work on and start using it the right way and effective way. For my Etsy store, one of my stores has over 82,000 free listings. I don't know what I'm going to do with so many. I think I have surpassed 100,000 listings when I combine all of my stores. But that just shows you that even free stuff you could get. And that saves me money on listings every time I renew a listing. The snapshot on the top of that, this is from another affiliate company. I made $236 in one day in September 10th. So I make anywhere from $60 to $70 to $80 to $100 per day. Some days, I didn't have no sales. Other days were higher, but it's still income that I get every single month on a continuous basis because of Pinterest and promoting on Pinterest. The one on the bottom is a company that their payout is a lot less. There are companies out there that when you join as an affiliate marketer, you get paid 90% of the sales. Sometimes you get paid 10%. Sometimes you get paid, 5%. It just really depends on the company you join and the products and services that you're promoting. This one I think the payout was $10 out of 105 that they made. So it's very low. But it all adds up by the end of the year, especially now that it's a little bit slower. In the beginning of the year, my affiliate marketing is a little bit stronger because I think people are buying more in the beginning of the year than at the end of the year. This is another snapshot. This day on September 8th, I had like one of my highest months. I had $3,000 in sales in one day. And as you can see, it goes from anywhere from $500 a day to $1,000 a day to $500,000. I mean, excuse me, not 500,000. I wish $500 a day, and it just varies day to day. But in this month, I had continuous sales all the way through. Only in the beginning of the month, I had like 2 or 3 days that I didn't make any type of money. But after that, it was just rolling in. And this is another snapshot. To the left, you see like $15 credit, $15 credit. That's me promoting Tailwind. So when I use Pinterest and I have the Tailwind, I actually don't pay for Tailwind at the moment. I haven't paid for it for a very long time because I do promote Tailwind so much that I get all of these credits. So Tailwind, Tribes, Power Ups, all of that I get included for free because I use my credits. So I like that. It saves me money on certain tools that I need. In addition to that, as you can see in my analytics here in the middle, social is my number one traffic source in my blog. I could probably do a better job organically if I posted more or if I did more articles. I don't have the time for it. I'm actually outsourcing now to start putting more articles on a regular basis because I understand the power of blogging, but I barely blog. I do maybe I do regularly, but it's like 4 blocks per month. I don't do more than that. So I need to do a little bit more than that. But as you can see, the number one traffic source is Pinterest. That sends me the most traffic. YouTube helps, Facebook help, Twitter helps, Instagram help. But as you can see, they're relatively very low for the amount of followers that I have. You would think that, I got almost 70,000 on Instagram. You would think it would be a lot higher. And for some reason, it's not. And I think it's because my content is not getting shown to a lot of people, because Pinterest, it's a social media. It's not a social media platform, excuse me. It's a search engine. So you don't have to pay to be seen like on Instagram and on Facebook. And those platforms are still important for your business, but I do tend to have more success with Pinterest. Is the number one platform that drives me more traffic, and it's the one that I have the least followers, which is crazy to me. The snapshot to the right is another affiliate course that I'm in. And those are just, I didn't take the whole month because it was too long. But this is just receipts of every day of September. Like on the 4th, that day I made about, I don't know, like $600 in one day. So it just shows you that Pinterest, it is pretty amazing. I highly recommend it. Even if it takes you time, it's a lot of things to learn about Pinterest. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you do it on a consistent basis and you try it out, you will have success. And if you're interested in signing up for my course, I will leave the link right below this video, whether you want to do it now or in the future. But I highly recommend Pinterest, regardless if you don't join my course. It is amazing. It is amazing. I can't say enough about it. So, and these are another snapshot, just to kind of give you an idea. This is from the one to the left is my affiliate marketing through ClickBank. I have a ClickBank account, and this is just like the last week. I just took a quick snapshot. As you can see, there's days I don't make any money, and then there's days I do pretty well. And this is all through Pinterest traffic, meaning that I'm not running ads. This is all organic. Have I played around with ads? Yes, I have. I turned them off because I just felt like it was a waste of money for me, only because I'm driving so much traffic organically. I think in the future, I do need to turn them on again, but I need to focus on analyzing the ads, because Facebook ads are different than Pinterest ads. So I need to really sit down and start analyzing, putting goals in there, making sure that what I'm promoting is converting, making sure I do different trials. And that takes time. And with everything that I'm doing currently right now, I don't have the time for it, but I am going to do it eventually. But this is all organic, meaning I'm not paying for ads. This is my monthly statement for one of my Etsy stores in September. As you can see, I made $2,800. It's not a lot compared to what I normally make, because my stores have been hit. I am in the wedding and party event, so it has been hit a little bit more than usual, obviously because of the pandemic. But as you can see on the right, I don't have I don't have ads running or anything. So all the money that I made was organic as well. And on the top is just my revenue from my YouTube channel, just to kind of give you a snapshot of how much I make there. And the reason why I show that is because even though YouTube is separate from Pinterest, I do have a board of my YouTube videos, and I get tons of traffic from Pinterest directly to my YouTube channel. And it does help me make money as well. So it does help me cross promote my different platforms. And it makes me make more money as well. So just keep that in mind. There's so much opportunity with Pinterest, especially if you have a YouTube channel, you have an Etsy store, you have other products you could cross promote and really start getting traction from different areas. So the different ways that I make money with Pinterest are the following. I kind of touched base on them right now with you guys, but I wanted to give you more insight on them. The first one is advertising with Google Adsense. The second one is affiliate marketing on my blog posts. The third one is selling my Etsy products and courses. And the fourth one is direct affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Now, advertising with Google AdSense. So it is a simple addition to your website that you will add advertisements for others to see. So when somebody wanders on your website from traffic that you're driving from Pinterest, the advertisement will appear between your blog posts basically. People will click on the ad, and depending on the type of ad it is, you'll begin making profits or making money from it. Besides adding AdSense from the start, there's no work involved for you, which is really nice. So what that means basically is that you have a blog post and you're putting these codes in between your blog posts. You could do on your sidebar if you want. You could put it on your blog post. You could put a picture, or it could be text. It depends on what type of ad you want. You could test both out. I usually do pictures because those perform a little bit better. If you're a beginner with blogging or even having your own website for your Etsy products and you've never done this before, I recommend Google AdSense. You could go to google.com AdSense and apply, and I'll ask you for information, and then you should be able to get approved. But you need to have a website to get approved. And at least have some content in your website before you apply, because I do think that helps you get approved faster. Now, Google AdSense, are you going to be rich with Google AdSense? No, you're not going to be rich with Google AdSense. They do pay the least. Now, there are other companies that pay more, but you do need to have a certain amount of views. Some of them require like 20,000 views per month. And so if you're first starting out, Google AdSense is perfect. So that's the first thing that you could do. I don't recommend having like every blog post with 20 Google AdSense. Just add one or two. If you have a short article, one is enough. If you have like a long article, 1,000 words, then you could have two ads, maybe one on the top of the article, one on the bottom of the article, and call it a day. Don't put too many, then it looks like spam. The second way that I make money is through affiliate marketing on my blog. So basically, I add affiliate links to my blog posts. And the steps are pretty simple. You choose a product related to your blog niche. You create product awareness by promoting on Pinterest. And then you leverage Pinterest to drive traffic back to the blog post. And then when people click on any of the affiliate links, if they purchase the product, you make a commission. Now, make sure to follow FTC guidelines. If you don't know what that is, just Google FTC guidelines. It's just having disclaimers in your actual blog that you make money through affiliate marketing. I usually put a disclaimer. If you click on this link, I make a commission. That way it's clear. They know that that is an affiliate link. Different affiliate companies that you should check out are the following. ClickBank is the one that makes me 90% of the sale. That's the one that you guys saw on the snapshot that I have some days that I made like 500 or more. I can't even remember right now, but it's the one that I just had in the pictures. And ClickBank, what I like about them is that their commission is really high. You could do share sale. I know their commission is a little bit low. That's one of the companies I use that you saw in the screen. Peerfly is another great company. Pepperjam is another great company. Commission Junction is another great company. So there's many out there. These are just to name a few. These are the ones that I'm currently signed up to. I do Creative Market too, by the way. I didn't put it in here. Creative Market is very low as well. They only pay you 10%, but it does add up. I mean, I make on Creative Market anywhere from 200 to 400 a month right now. And when January, February, March hits, I actually make even more than that because that's when people are buying more. But you could test these out, go in there, see what products that they have that are relevant to what you promote. It's really up to you if you want to promote products that are not relevant to your blog. I have seen that before. I know other people that do that in their own channel or their own blog. I try to keep everything Etsy related, small business, make money online, because I want to be very niche down. There's no right or wrong way, but I do think it's better if you have a niche down than you're promoting weight loss products on a blog that talks about Etsy. So it's up to you to test out and see what works better for you. But I have seen people that mix it around and they still make money. So because they know how to drive the traffic, but it's really up to you. I sell my Etsy products and courses. So I have a plugin that I use. It's called Etsy 360. I will leave the link below that you could put with that plugin, it connects your Etsy store in your own website within minutes. And then I also sell my courses as well. So I create pins that directs traffic back to my Etsy products. And I also use Pinterest to redirect traffic back to my live workshops and masterclasses. So if you have a course, what you could do is use Pinterest to drive traffic to those live webinars that you host in order to get people to sign up for your course. And you could send them to your course as well. I find it more beneficial if they join the masterclass, because if they do, then I have their email and then I could remarket to them later. Versus if I send them to, let's say, the course page or the sales page, if they don't buy at that moment, I just lost that person. I didn't capture their email. So that's the reason why most of my pins, if not majority of them, link to somewhere that I could track them either through a pixel or I'm getting their lead, one of the two. Occasionally, I might test out different pins to the actual course as well. And, with selling your own Etsy products and courses or anything else that you sell, it does help you bring brand awareness. It helps you grow your email list, make sales, obviously, from my course on a continuous basis as well. So it really does help me. And the last one is direct affiliate marketing on Pinterest with proper disclosure. So I also make money through affiliate marketing by linking directly to the offer from Pinterest. I simply create a pin for the product. I make sure to do research on the product to make sure that I'm using the proper SEO so I could get traction on that pin. I add a disclaimer on the pin board and also on the description. So on the bottom of the pin, I will type in hashtag affiliate, hashtag sponsor, hashtag ad. Keep in mind, Pinterest is following the FTC guidelines. So it is common practice on the internet that you have, to make a disclaimer or you add that disclosure that this is an ad. You have to do it. So as long as you put on the bottom of the pin hashtag ad or hashtag sponsor, you're good to go. Just make sure that you're clear with people. You can also put it in the description board as well. I recommend both, saying in this board you will find ways to lose weight. Just keep in mind that all of the links are, or majority of the links are, affiliate marketing, and I will make a commission if you click on them, hashtag, ad, hashtag sponsor, and just leave it at that. So make sure that you are being clear with your disclaimers, because this is a really important thing when you're earning money online. But these are the 4 ways that I make money. But honestly, if it wasn't for Pinterest, I could probably still make money because I'm growing my brand. But Pinterest is what essentially helps me with everything, from growing my brand, from getting more leads, from getting more emails, for getting people to discover my YouTube channel, my other platforms, as well as my blog and my Etsy store. So I highly recommend getting started with Pinterest. If you have any questions, feel free to put them on the comments below. If you enjoy this type of video, please let me know, because this gives me an idea if to create more of these videos in the future. And also don't forget to grab my free Pinterest SEO strategy guide. It's going to help you with optimizing your pins the correct way. I will leave the link right below this video. And thank you everyone for watching.